The last feature we would like to show you is our fully integrated accounting module. So let's take a look at it.
Okay, at this time I'm going to take you through a brief tour of the accounting section. So we'll click on accounting, and here's where you have to put in a password, and you want to be careful that only the people you trust will have this password to get into the accounting. Under the accounting section, of course, there's more to look at than we're going to be able to do today, but we're going to go down to the accounting setup area, and we're going to look at setting up accounts. And as you see this screen, this is where we can put in names or numbers. We can look through the sub-accounts. We can look at the descriptions or by account number and the current balance and whether it's a debit or credit. From here we of course go to our door and we go back out, and we're going to go to the right side of the screen where it says make payments, and we're going to look under accounts payable with invoices. So when I click on the with invoices, a screen comes up which shows you pretty much a blank check at the top, and it gives us a listing of those we owe money to, how much we owe, and when it is due. So for example, this very first one, AVW, if I wanted to make this payment, I would just check that box, and you'll see how it fills in the check. From this point I can make the payment and or print the check. And then we will work our way out of here by clicking on our little door once again. Okay, now we are going to go to looking at our check register. And in our check register, we can look at the checks we just wrote, or we can scroll down and we can look at checks written at various times. We can also actually even edit these checks. We can search for checks, and from here we can print a check if there's one that we feel the need to print from here. And I will back out of this one now. And from here we will go to accounting reports. And under the accounting reports, you will see that there's items. We're not going to look at all of them, but we're going to look at our reports list. And I'm going to click the down arrow, and I'll show you a few of the reports that are available to you. For example, you would have the general ledger, balance sheet, income statement, chart of accounts, vendor list. This concludes my portion of this presentation. I would like to thank you very much for your time.